Okay, hello, I'm back. We're gonna do custom modules now. Custom modules are basically custom commands, but it has a fancy name. No, yeah, basically people that, if you publish it and people use it, they can create their own commands as long as they know Lua. But they can create their own commands with, without much knowledge, without having to edit your own script. And so you could you can just Anyway, what we're gonna do is create a new folder called custom commands, and basically in here we'll have a new file. We have a new file called example.lua. Local example, and you want to make sure you comment everything in this one because the user's gonna be looking at this. So we're gonna say set let's change set example to your command's name. This does not matter at all. And then we can just do example equals no local example dot name equals example. The whole thing is just gonna be, and then function example call function. Nope, wait, no. Player, and then don't change anything but example. And then we're gonna do print player yeeted with args. Oh, this is how I could have done my print function there. Unpack, actually. Unpack args. There we go. What is this? Oh, does it? Oh, okay. Wait, what is this one? Mutated but never accessed. Yeah, okay, whatever. Return example. Oh god, that's annoying. It's fine. It's fine. Unused argument self. We don't. Come on. Oh, print yeeted the function. I'll use self then. Jeez. You like self? You like self? Now you can go away, right? Yeah, thank you. That's basically our function. Now we're gonna tell the people that are creating it or changing it. We're gonna be like, hey, player that called it. Um, dot dot dot. Arg. Uh, arguments passed in. Arguments. Oh, yeah. Okay. Oh, come on. You don't need to yell at everything I do. Luachek just hates me. Um, it yells at everything I do. Let's just say, yeah, that's, and if you want to access, uh, accessing, accessing utilities is easy. We don't need this comment. We don't need a local utilities equals require script of parent parent wait for child. Utilities. Script.parent wait for child. Yeah. And you can do whatever you want with it. Alright. And then here we can go custom commands equals nope equals modules wait for child custom commands for Ivy and next custom commands get children do and actually we don't need this. What? Okay, yeah. Sorry. Anyway, local command cmd equals require v and then we command dot new cmd lower cmd dot call. Then we know we're actually going to do dot function. There we go. That's it. That's custom commands. Surprisingly, very short actually. Now if we sync with row, let's just go row. That's already syncing. I don't think this is syncing. No. Connect. We have custom commands, and in here we have example. Cool. And we just play. And we're gonna click on the output tab. Problem. Now, I changed my font while I was AFK because or not AFK while I wasn't recording because I didn't like it. It was just a bit weird. It doesn't work well with the Roblox. Okay, with my syntax I changed it to Sublime. Anyway, let's do example. Ha ha ha! This is stupid. Self aha. And let's just change that in here. Example. Yeah, definitely change it. Okay, what up? Example, haha, this is stupid, lol. Oh, come on. Okay. Example. Haha, this is stupid, lol. Yeah, okay, it worked, it doesn't matter. Unpack args does fuck. Okay. Local str equals unpack args. Will that work? Will that work? Does it? I really don't like it. Unpack args. Oh. I know why. I know what to do. Table args dot concat. There we go. That will work. That will work. Unpacking returns a lot of values. Fuck. Yeah. Let's do example. Haha, this is epic. And concat is not a fact. Table dot concat. I know that's a thing. I normally, because it's a table. Yes, it is a table. It's just not. It's a good table. It just doesn't have the concat function because it's stupid. I thought it inherited. Yeah, whatever. You know what? Whatever. Example. Well, this works now. Yes, there we go. Cool. That's it. Basically, so that's a very short one. I just wanted to show you how to do this. Table. There's everything else, but it. Oh my god, why? Let's just do args. I thought I removed autocomplete. Whatever. That's it. Thank you for watching this one. This one's a very quick one, not very long at all. Bye.